Give me 5 minutes, and I'll build a working slot machine in Excel.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
First, I've got a symbols table. The symbol name, its category, payout value, and the emoji we'll display on the reels. Next I add 2 control cells, a seed value, and a total count of how many symbols exist. That total is important because our random reels will pick from 1 to that number. I copy my headers over to the right. Now I create 3 reel indexes. Each one is a random number from 1 to total symbols. So every spin picks 3 random rows from the table. Here's the magic. Each reel index points to a row, and index pulls the symbol, the category, and the emoji for that row. So when the random number changes, the reels change instantly. Now I add a spin cost and a bet size. I pull the original payout for each reel, then multiply it by K1. So we can scale rewards by changing the bet. Then I add a scroll bar and link it to K1. Now I can increase my bet with a slider, no typing. Now I build the slot machine layout. A title, 3 reel windows, and a budget cell, so it feels like an actual game interface. Instead of duplicating logic, I just link the UI to the engine cells. So the reel windows always show the current emoji, symbol name, and category. Now I add the win logic. If all 3 symbols match, jackpot. If not, but all 3 categories match, that's a category win. And J17 calculates how much you won. Then I style it, big emojis, readable text, and a thick border so it looks like a real slot machine. Now I calculate the budget update, subtract the spin cost, then add winnings. Then I hide the helper column so it stays clean. Now I record a macro that does one thing. It forces a recalculation for a new spin, then updates my budget by pasting the new total back into Q1 as a value. Then I add a shape as the spin button, assign the macro, and now the whole machine runs with one click. Final polish, conditional formatting. One rule highlights when all 3 categories match, and another rule lights up when the emojis match for a jackpot. Now watch, every click spins the reels, checks the win, lights up the match, and updates the budget automatically. If you want the file, check my link in bio. OneDrive downloads are there.